Welcome, guys. How's it going? How's everyone doing? Um, yeah, we'll just do a quick audio really quick. Welcome, guys. How's it going? Hi, who's here? Just doing a quick audio check, and then we'll start. Put a bit of music on. Cheers for the like, guys. Nice one. Here we go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. I'm just gonna share it into the group really quickly, and then we can get going. Cheers for the likes, guys. I'll just share it on Telegram really quickly now, and then we will get going. Who's traded today? Has anyone traded? Who's here, by the way? Put it in the chat if you are. Okay, guys, let me put the music on. Hi, Dan. How's it going, bro? Hope you're well. Yes, we've got news in 30 minutes, guys. I'm going to stay on for news, see what news does, and then depending on what news does, depends on if we're going to stay on or not. For now, looking at the hourly really quickly, or if we actually, I'm just going to jump onto the 4 hourly. 4 hourly's got a lot of liquidity above market. Okay, so look to target today in terms of longs. So I'm not looking to go short really with how bullish gold is. You know, look how bullish gold is on the 4 hourly. Look how bullish it is overall. I'm not looking to go short at all yet until, you know, price does start breaking to the downside. However, in terms of longs, guys, I am going to look to go long if we can start breaking above 25, 24. This sort of level here, guys. You know, you can bring it down a little bit, but I think that this is a nice clean level that you need to break above before you can start looking to long. And I wouldn't be looking to go short really, and until you start breaking below 25.19. So this is the range for me. Hi Natalie, how's it going? Marley, how's it going, mate? Hey bro. Natalie, how are you? Dan, how's it going, bro? How is everyone? Nice to see everyone here again. But yeah, this is the range we're in quite for now. You know, if you want and you want to be really like, if you want to really like scalp the market here, you can have a nice tight 15-minute range here. You could have a nice tight range here on the 15, which is absolutely fine. So we can play this range for now and see what it does. But I think to be more conservative, especially with news, I think this is the nicest range. And then, you know, we can delete these liquidity targets for now, and you can just have this nice overall target here. But yeah, guys, if anyone's got any questions at all, let me know. Weekly on gold's bullish again. We still haven't taken prior weekly high. So if we are going to go higher, you could potentially see all-time. I think all-time high is a decent target. But for me, I'm just going to play this range for now, guys. You know, it's a nice hourly range, 30-minute range as well. You know, you've got a decent range here, you know, from, you know, resistance, support. Yeah, I'd play this range today, just right now. So, who else is here, guys? Who's in? Cheers for subscribe, guys. Whoever subscribed, thank you. Drop us a like as well, guys. I appreciate it. If anyone's got any questions, let me know. Instantly pushing down on the 30. Got 12 in now, guys. Who's here? 12 watching. Welcome, guys. What are you anticipating? Is there a preference regarding what you want gold to do after the news? For me, on gold, I'm not really anticipating anything. I don't anticipate the news, Marley, or Mali. I think it's Marley. Either if we close below 25.19, then I think we're going to go lower into the liquidity below. But if we can close above 25.24, you know, then you've got all this liquidity to target and all-time highs. So I'm really just playing this range for now. That's the plan's just to play this range. Mystery Mavin, which down then and up? What do you think for news? For news, I personally think we're going to go into all-time highs on news. Personally, I think there's too much liquidity above market not to take it. How much is the signal group? So you started, Mystery. It's £30 per month. £30 per month, Mystery, Mevin. Yeah, £30 per month. 16 in. Welcome, guys. Guys, drop us a like if you're not subscribed. Subscribe too. Welcome all 16 people. Guys, try and get this like get the video up to 10 likes. Yeah, nice one, Molly. Nice for commenting. How many likes have we got? We've got 4 so far, guys. We've got 5 more to get to 10. Let's get to 10. I'm sure 5 more people can like the video. Let's go. Oh my god, the ads on the thing. But yeah, if anyone's got any more questions, let me know. Gold's pushing down. Gold's pushing down a little here now. No top wick yet though, so you could potentially see the range fake out here and then continue higher. Like so. James, balance gone. Do you mean the imbalance? Are you talking about imbalance or what are you talking about, bro? Oh, one sec. I need to put the music back on. James, will you explain to me what you're talking about with balance? Just explain it a bit, please, Matt. Yeah, so news is in 22 minutes, guys. We're going to stay on and see what news does. If news just absolutely smashes all liquidity targets, then there's not much we can do, but we're going to see if we can catch a position before it. If we get the rules and if everything sets up. Cheers for likes, guys. Thank you. It's Moon, by the way, bro. Yeah, yeah, Moon. Nice one, nice one. I forgot the name. Sorry, bro. But yeah. Oh no, balance of account's still there, bro. It's still there. I update it in the group. I just don't want to attract. I don't want to attract the wrong people to my stream. James, I don't want to attract the wrong people to my stream. You know, people just think that everything's so easy, but nah, it's still there. I'll update it shortly and put it back on. Hi Duncan, bro. How's it going, mate? Welcome, bro. Welcome, Duncan. So, guys, we're at 152 subscribers now. Guys, if you're not already, drop us a subscribe, drop us a like on the video. I do appreciate it. I'm waiting for gold to close here on the 15 to see if we can, to see if I can see what I'm doing next. We just gotta wait. You know, we've got range here, range 1, secondary range here. And this is why you don't really do anything within the range. You just gotta wait until we close out or above. Cheers, Duncan. I appreciate it. Thanks for tuning in again, bro. If you're enjoying the streams and the zooms and the free content, I appreciate it. Instantly pushing down here on gold. 4 hourly is retracing. Just taking H4 lows now. Last H4 low. So we could reverse a little now. Why don't you share everyone the live account execution balance? Yeah, I was thinking of doing that, James. I think I'll do that soon. Maybe next week. I think next week I'll start doing that. You know, like a separate screen showing the live execution. Yeah, I think I'll do that, mate. Yeah. I'll have to set it up on my software, but all good. I can do that. No problem. Good idea. I've thought of it already, mate. I've already thought of doing that, but yeah, I appreciate that. Yeah, definitely. I'll definitely do that then. It's a good idea. Especially with the management as well. People will enjoy seeing the management sides of it, I think. Yeah, definitely. Yeah, cheers for the suggestion, James, bro. Nice one, James. You like the stream? I appreciate it. Thanks for the support, bro. Yeah, it's I'll definitely do that. It's something I thought of doing anyway. Definitely for transparency and execution, and you know, people watching me manage positions as well, which will be good. So yeah, probably I'll start that next week actually. Yeah, I'll have to add another screen to my editing to my streaming software. So I'll have to do it next week. Maybe at the weekend I'll set that up. What do I think it'll target first? I personally think it's going to go into all-time highs. Here. 25.30. Check DM after this, bro. Yeah, we'll do, mate. No problem. On what on? Moon on TikTok. Tell me what you're on about. TikTok, Telegram. I'll check it, bro. Check DM after this. Yeah, we'll do, mate. Okay, we have got 15 minutes until news, and this 15's closing in 50 seconds. So let's see how this 15 closes. If this 15 closes bearish, I might take some half risk short positions. But I do not like how we've not made any top wick at all. I am very cautious of that. So we just got to wait for that, guys. James, 8 years now, mate. Yeah, quite a long time. How were you able to learn from your mistakes when journaling your trades? So it's important to journal Molly, it's important to journal every single position. The way you learn from them is by looking at your losses and see basically write. Also, don't just write down the trades you took. Write down more information about how you felt when you're going into the trade. Did you feel FOMO? Did you feel like other people were entering positions and you weren't? If you're feeling this way, then you can easily see the problems that you're facing. For example, you know, you can see that you're taking positions because other people are taking positions. You're taking positions because you haven't taken a position all day and you want to. Like, there's so many reasons why. So the best way to make the best to learn from your mistakes in trading is to make sure you're journaling all positions. Write down what you was feeling before you took the trade and after you took the trade, and if on your losses and on your wins, journal and react, and you'll be able to see you'll be able to learn from your mistakes for sure. I've got a good journal that I use in the community, which is it's a basic journal, but you can also write your emotions in like a comment section as well, before and after. But it's definitely important to do that. Good question, Molly. Yeah, definitely, Natalie. Definitely write down the psychology side to it as well. It's not just entering positions and that. Most of it is psychology, and most of the learning is from your own mind. It's not why you entered the position. The position's probably good. The position was probably good. It's you messed it up with your psychology and how you managed it. Yeah, James, it's been a long road, bro. Bang, bam, 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 bam. But like when you're journaling positions, do other things, like for example, journal how many pips you went into drawdown, or how far it went into drawdown before going into profit. Because let me just show you a little example here. Say for example you're taking 10 positions per week, yeah, and let's say in them 10 positions you go into this much drawdown each time. Say you're using a 50 tick stop, okay? And each time you enter a position, the average amount you go into drawdown is, let's say, 20 ticks. So let's say you're going into, that's 40% of 50. 20 to 40% of 50, I think. Yeah. So I just had to double check that. So you're going into drawdown 40% of your actual stop loss. You're going into drawdown 40% of your actual stop loss before it goes into profit. So why would you have a stop loss down here so tight when you could put your stop loss to say 35 ticks? Because more times than not, before you're going into profit, you're only going into 20 ticks drawdown on average. So why would you have such a big stop loss? Why don't you make your wins bigger and your stop loss smaller? So that's something else to look at. Don't just look at the easy sides to journaling, looking at your positions. People journal and just leave the trades. Look more in depth of it. But yeah, when you're journaling, look into more detail. Don't just like journal a trade and then leave it for a year. Learn from every single position that you take. James, yeah, there is. I take trades. I post every single trade that I take now. I've only just started doing it recently, so if you want to join, it's a good chance. Because I don't know how long I'm going to keep that up for. I'm doing it just to see how it goes, to see if I can continue like an 80 to 85% strike rate. If I start seeing my trading taking a hit from sharing every trade, then I will stop doing it. So if you want to join the community, it's a good chance if you want to take all my positions now, because that's the chance to do it. But you get way more in the community. Like, just look at the community. You get trade breakdowns, trading tips, market calls, trading course, Zoom recordings, live trading. You get all the gold chats. You get my contact. It's not just a signals group. No way. Verified track records on Couch. Yeah, I've got plenty of results in, you know, Telegram groups, withdrawals, everything. I haven't done that. I'm actually. Do you know what I'm gonna do, James? I'm gonna link this account. I'm gonna link it to a FX live, so everyone can see the actual trades that I take. But I've never done that, but I will do it. I've never had to do it. Cheers, Dan. I appreciate you, bro. Thanks for the kind words, mate. So good. Good to hear. Very good to hear. Right, so news is coming out in 10 minutes, guys. There's no real trade just yet. But yeah, if you go on the Telegram, you can see loads of different results. Like, even on the live streams. But I only trade demo. Just demo, guys. So guys, how many likes have we got? Drop a like on the video, guys, if you can. We only got 5 likes. Guys, drop a like on the video. Let's get the likes up, guys. If you're new as well, drop us a subscribe. Yeah, you could have took 15 shorts, to be fair. If there were a wick on this candle, I'd have took shorts. Like so. That'd have been the position. I'm gonna see what this news does anyway, guys, in 8 minutes. We'll just chill and see what it does. How did it take you to be profitable? And was it a haha moment, or was it a daily grind of just getting better slowly? Molly, it was a 3 to 4 year grind. 3, 4, even, yeah, 4 to 5 year grind, but getting better slowly, and then it just hits. The psychology just hits, and learning to follow a simple set of rules, it just hits all at one time. So, yeah, it's a bit of both, really. It's a bit of both. It is a bit of a haha moment as well. But yeah, good question. Very good question. But it's... I'd say to anybody who wants to learn, just learn from somebody who you know is good. Don't just try to do it all on your own, because it is hard. You definitely need community and people to talk to who are on the same journey. Doing it on your own just takes so long, and it took me so long. No top wick on this hourly yet. News is in 6 minutes, guys. Yeah, welcome everyone who's new. Welcome. Like I say, let's pump these likes up, guys. Only at 5. Where do I get the new? Natalie, what do you mean? Where do I get the new? Let me know what you mean. But do you need a mentor you can trust? Can we share the live account before I join? Yeah, I'll share the live account for you, mate. No worry. But you just need a mentor you can trust. Can you share the live account before I join? Yeah, for sure. I'll share it. Join the free Telegram and drop us a message on. Drop us a message, bro. I'll have to create a new one. News, yeah, news is in. Where do I get the news? Forexfactory.com. Natalie, forexfactory.com. James, before I do that, I'll have to make a new that tracks my live account for everyone. I'll do that. There's no problem. I've got nothing to hide. I'll share my live trades. Even just watch back the live, guys. You can see that all trades that I've taken 82% strike rate off just live trading. No problem, Natalie. But yeah, I understand, James. Like, if you wanna wait until I can show you my live record, absolutely fine. There's no problem on that. No problem at all, mate. Right, so we've got news in 4 minutes. Let's see what we do here. This is interesting, guys. Very, very interesting. Why not now here? I could do, but I'd have to add a new screen. Bro, I can send it you. It's absolutely fine. My actual live account, I don't want to put details on the screen on YouTube. That's one of the reasons. I'm not gonna rush. I'm not just gonna put up a screen of my live account, guys, and show you a live account when it's got all my details on there. Not a chance. I'll have to do it properly. And if I have to do it tomorrow, I'll do it tomorrow. There's no shame in that. Right, what are we at here? 2 minutes, 3 minutes until news, guys. What we're gonna do? We're gonna continue down or up. CPI is quite big today. 3 sets CPI news. Yeah, James, no problem at all, mate. Like I say, I'll show you. There's no problem at all. I understand. There's a lot of toxicity around this space. All good. I understand everything. Don't worry. I've been around long enough to see how it's changed. So yeah, there's no hate here either, bro. Okay, 2 minutes. 2 minutes, guys. What's everyone thinking, guys? Let me know. Up or down? How did you find the strategy that worked for you? The best way to find the strategy that works for me is that I've always traded liquidity concepts, like just taking bits and bats from like different people and different sources, and then like creating your own like playbook, creating my own strategy. So it's all about just trying different things like over years and years and finding what works for you. It's as simple as that. Like everyone's strategy is going to be slightly different, even if you're in the community. Everything's going to be slightly different. You know, you can follow my strategy for sure, but over time you'll change it to your own to suit you better. For example, different trading times, different things you want to see on different time frames. Like it's not always going to be the same, but you can for sure follow my rules. That's absolutely fine. But for me, I just follow a simple 3-step play, and it works really well. Alright guys, 15 seconds here. Wow, gold. Look at that on Goldie. Huge, huge. Crazy, crazy. So much liquidity to the downside now. I think we can push down a little further. How did you find strategy? I'm thinking it'd go higher. Yeah, it's a bit rangy. That's one of the reasons I've joined you. Really humble. Thank you, Sket. Natalie, I appreciate that. I am humble for sure. I don't show off. I don't need to show off profits or anything. It's not me. I don't like to show off. It's just pointless. Don't get you anywhere in life. Gold is pushing down. That'd have been. This is why you don't trade news, guys. If you were buying or selling there, you ruined. Even now, we haven't taken any liquidity at all, really. Just continuing down now. What a push down that were. And we're continuing. 4 hourly. Still got liquidity to take above market. So let's see what price wants to do here. Nice one, guys. So who's still here, by the way? Oh my god, look at Goldie now. Taking lows and continuing higher. Are we going to go into all-time highs today? Possibly. But yeah, it's Natalie, I appreciate them kind words a lot. Nice one. Very, very, look at that 30-minute candle. Anybody catch anything there? Quite impossible for me, that. So fast. What's the range? What's the candle range there? 130 ticks. 130 ticks. Wow. Can price come lower? Possibly. Wow, it's going now. You remember, guys, you have got trendline liquidity here too, so. Yeah, James, of course. Yeah, of course. I understand. You need to show transparency, and that's why I do live trading. You know, you can go back and you can see my results just from trading live. Trading live, and people in the community know that I can trade. Like, there's no need to show profits and stuff. Like, if I show profits, what's that gonna do for your trading? Yeah, if I show you all these profits, you can still come into the community and fail so bad. Like, I can show you so much profit, and then you can come in the community and still not do well. Just watch how I trade. I can show you that I can trade. Look at my results on just live for the last couple of months. That says enough. Find a mentor and don't listen to the outside noise. Exactly, mystery. Exactly, Moon. Moon, have you DM'd me? What have you DM'd me on, bro? Let me see. You said you DM'd me, bro. What did you DM me on? Let me know, bro. We're on Telegram. Can't see anything. Gold's flying to the downside here. Yeah, Moon. Let me know what you DM me on, and I'll have a look later. I can't see any messages that's come through just yet, so let us know and I can check. If I don't know, I won't be able to check for you. Right, gold is just absolutely flying to the downside. Most liquidity targets are getting taken now. There's not much you can really do, guys. You just gotta wait for price to consolidate a little bit. You know, wait for price to consolidate a little bit, and then you can do something then. If nobody has anyone got any questions? Let me see. If anyone's got any questions. No questions. All good. Four hourly's pushing down. Back into like a big level on gold as well. Molly, yes, we do. You can trade any session with. You can trade any session with my strategy. Any session at all. It doesn't matter. You can trade for 2 hours a day, 3 hours a day. You can just trade time slots if you want. That's absolutely fine. You can just trade whenever you want. The best time to trade is London Open, and US London switchover. London US switchover. Really good. Moon, where are you in a buy from, bro? Now, from here? Anyone in shorts? No, not for me yet, bro. Cheers for the lights, guys. Whoever's putting hundreds up. I'm in a buy now. Where are you in a buy from, Moon? Where from, bro? Guys, if you're new, drop us a like and a subscribe, please. Get it up to 10. We're currently on 9. One more, guys. One more. And yeah, like I say. Hemrix, not just yet, bro. I'm just gonna wait. Just gonna see how this 15 closes. in 5 minutes. 5 minutes. Because you have got liquidity here, guys. You just built some liquidity here, double top, which could get taken. Very, very likely. When price does something like this, you need to just wait. You need to wait. Let price, you know, consolidate a little bit. Create a new range. And then let it do what it needs to do, you know. When it creates a new range, you can let it range a little bit. And then break out, continue. Simple. You know, you don't really want to be doing anything just yet. Up. Moon, what did you DM me on, bro? I don't know if I'm receiving your DM. Can you let me know what you DM me on? Because you said you DM me. What did you DM me on, man? Molly, you get the access and it's just on Discord. Obviously, I've got the community access as well. With the community, you get the VIP trades group for free. So that's just an added bonus for anybody in the community now. But if you want the VIP trades group, you get the access and then I invite you to the group and then I just post all my trades every day. Every trade. No, this is not a fair value gap. This is just a I don't trade fair value gaps, Moon, bro. But yeah, Molly, I just post my trades every day. Yeah, Ben, it's crazy, bro. This is just so much built liquidity. This will get taken soon. You're potentially gonna see gold do this. Probably next week. Retail is definitely winning, yeah. Ben, you're right, bro. Ben, you're definitely right. There's not much you can really do right now, guys. Back in a minute. Does anyone want to get any more questions, guys? Let me know. Look at all this liquidity here, guys. Liquidity, trend line liquidity. Wow. I tell you what, long buys is looking good. Right, let's see how this 15 closes. Do you think the downside could be a trap? Potentially, yeah. I'm not really looking to trade anything just yet because it just looks so messy. I'm probably gonna go in a couple of minutes, guys, to be honest with you. But we will be back tomorrow. You can't really do much now, guys. You gotta wait for price to consolidate like here. You know, when we consolidate, say if we consolidate down here, then you can create a range and then you can trade. But for now, what can you do? There's no direction at all on gold. Apart from trying to sell and catch a sell, which you could get trapped in. I'll update you guys in a second. Right, guys. Right, if this look at this candle here. if this candle here actually took that liquidity, did it? No, it's created a perfect double top there, look. So we can't take shorts, because if we look to short now, which is valid if we took this candle high here, like this, I'd be shorting now. And I'd be looking to target lower prices, yeah? This is the short I'd have in. But because price didn't take this high and it's actually left a double top, my strategy doesn't allow me to enter this short. And that's just the rules I have, unfortunately. But if you are crazy, you could have took the shorts down. But personally, I can't, guys. And I stick to my rules religiously. But yeah, guys, that's me for the day. I hope everyone's had a good day and I hope everyone smashes it. But what I'm going to wait for on gold now, guys, is a bit of a range to form. And anybody in the community, when that range does form and we see what we need to see, like yesterday, look at yesterday, guys. Or we'll just track to Monday really quickly. Look at how Monday give us like really nice ranges all day. Look, you know, you got range here, nice range, and then look, you got a nice range here. Look, nice range, and then even here, guys, you want to wait for a bit of the price action that you see in here on the 15-minute form. Can you see this price action here? You want to see this form like right here now, and when we do form, we can create a new range and then we can trade. But for now, let the market breathe for like half an hour at least, and then we'll come back. Anybody in the community, I will update you when that range forms in like say 30 minutes, okay? But guys, I'll see you tomorrow for another stream. Thanks for joining. Thanks for following along. And I appreciate everyone for joining. Yeah, bye. See you in a bit, guys.